Book limit from Amazon KDP. In this video we are diving into the interesting and very vital topic that affects many self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Some time ago Amazon introduced a new policy against spammers. They noticed us that there's some kind of limit for books uploading to the KDP, and there is no specific numbers, but according to my investigation I figure out that there is some kind of limit about 3 books per day. This is kind of direct publishing community. There is some topic from the author. Publishing limit exceeded. Today is the first time I see this message. I have some kind of limitation. I cannot publish more than 3 books. Is this a new update from Amazon? There is. Publishing limit exceeded. The number of books that can submitted for publishing has been exceeded by this account. Here is another topic. File submission limit. The other one. Limit exceeded, the next, and the next. So there's the same problems. You can upload now not more than 3 books per day. Why did they do this? Well, it's all about improving customer experience. Amazon wants to ensure that the books available on their platforms are high quality. This means they want to weed out all spammy or low quality books from their platform not to disappoint their readers. Let's check the official guidelines. For this you need to go to the help topics. There you need to find this format your paperback and then click paperback submission guidelines. And here we are. Let's go. There's title creation limit. To ensure a positive customer experience, we limit the number of titles you can create at the same time and within a specific period of time. If you expect to regularly create a large number of titles, please contact us to inquire about an exception. As I said, there is no specific numbers of how many books you can upload per day, but according to the topics from KDP community, we understand that there is a limit to 3 books per day. And as for me, I'm okay with that because I never published so many books. The fastest book I have ever created took me around 1 or 2 weeks of my work. So I can't even imagine what kind of books you need to create to make it more than 3 books per day. So for those of you who have faced up with such kind of limitation, I only can recommend you to focus on the high quality books, high quality content that your readers will love. Pay attention to every detail, from the book cover, formatting, grammar, and most importantly, the content. Make sure your books provide real value and great customer experience. Quality over quantity, my friends. High quality books tend to get better reviews, which will rank your book on a better place, and as a consequence, the more sales. So whether you are seasoned author or just starting out, remember that Amazon's book upload limit is an opportunity to shine and stand out from the crowd. Embrace it. Focus on delivering excellence and you will see your success grow on Amazon's platform. That's all for today's video, folks. If you found this information helpful, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more insights. Before you will click to other video, there is a recommendation for you. If you want to see and understand more about Amazon KDP business, there is a playlist I collect every video you should to know before publishing your book on Amazon. So keep writing those amazing books, wish you good luck and hope I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye!